Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world to cryptocurrency to talk about one of the major players in the space, Solana. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or just curious about what this blockchain powerhouse has to offer, this is video for you. Before we jump in, I need to make something very clear. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. The information I'm sharing today is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decisions. Now that that's out of the way, let's get started. All right, as of today, Solana's price is sitting $223. This is Solana. It's important to remember that cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile and can change rapidly. But what makes Solana so appealing to investors? Let's explore. First up, Solana is known for its incredible speed and low transaction costs. Unlike some other blockchains, Solana uses a unique mechanism called proof of history. Without getting too technical, this means it can process thousands of transactions per second at a fraction of a penny for compression. Ethereum, another popular blockchain, often struggles with high fees and slower speeds when it's busy. Today, I just want to show you where and where I want to open the long position in Solana. It's my Bybit account, and I just want to set here this price. It's almost $200. Okay, and I want to add some information for you guys, but let's not forget the risks. Like any cryptocurrency, Solana's price can be unpredictable. While it's sitting at $200 today, it could shoot up or drop significantly. This isn't unusual in the crypto world. If you're considering an investment, make sure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. One strategy many investors use uses diversification rather than putting all your eggs in one basket or blockchain in this case. They spread their investments across different assets. If you're thinking about buying Solana, consider how it fits into your overall portfolio. Okay, let's buy it. I want to buy here. Now we have price $222 for one Solana. I predict that price will be here. It's 195. Let's buy it. Limit. How many Solanas? It will be 4 Solanas. Okay, I have to choose here. We can choose, for example, $800. Why not? Okay. No, no, here we have to put the price. It's 196 and 95. Yeah, and now we have to choose how many Solanas we want to buy. Okay, 4.6 Solanas and $900. Buy it. Limit buy Solana. Okay, no take profit, no stop losses because it's like it's just spotting trade. Spot trading. Buy Solana, order successfully submitted. Okay, just now I'm just waiting here price. Okay, to wrap it up, Solana has a lot of potential thanks to its speed, low costs, and growing ecosystem. However, like any investment, it comes with risks. If you are thinking about jumping in at $300, weigh the pros and cons carefully and make sure it fits your financial strategy. Remember, I'm here to provide information, not financial advice. If you have any thoughts about Solana or questions about crypto, investing in crypto, drop them in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up for more crypto insights. Thank you guys for watching. And I just want to add my target. My target will be almost $290. It will be here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.